Hi everyone, it's Dr. D. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Sites to create a website. This is an example of a website I created. As you can see, it's to demonstrate my knowledge of how business and math integrate. I've uploaded some ratio tables that I've created, and then I use the data in the ratio table to graph an equation and determine if it is a proportional relationship. So hopefully you'll be doing some fun stuff like this in your math class. If not, well, you might as well try it anyway. So let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your Drive. It's the easiest way to get to Google Sites. Once you're in your Drive, then you want to click on New, go to More, and then you'll find the Google Sites link here. All right, this is a little confusing, but I'm just going to show you quickly. I'm sure you could have figured it out. Once you get in here, you're on your title page. You could just share the name of your title. So let's say I want to do Danny's Donut Store. So it's just like a template that you would use for a document. You can change any of the background images here. That's clickable means it's pretty much editable. You can add a logo. You can change the image just by clicking on it. Selecting an image is probably going to be nice and easy. You can search for an image if you don't see anything that you like here. Since I'm doing a donut store, because I love donuts, what kid doesn't? And I'm just a big kid. Then you could just find something yummy that you want to include and press select. Caramel, my glazed donuts, my favorite. All right, quick tour if you want to include. One thing I love about Google Sites is that any Google apps that, any of the Google tools that you want to use in this week can easily be embedded, including a YouTube video. So my students are going to eventually be including a YouTube video because they're going to try and sell their business on a Shark Tank, and we're going to go there next. But for right now, let's get this website set up. Your layouts on the right-hand side, you can choose any kind of layout. If you want to have images, that's what these little mountains represent. And then you have your text box. And so you can just type in your text here. Obviously, just like a Word document, if you have some poor spelling, because you have fast fingers like me, it'll just highlight in red. So pretty cool. Again, this is an image box, but you also have other functionalities if you wanted to upload a document from your Drive. Like I showed you in my particular example, I had uploaded Google Sheets because I wanted to include a graph that I created. So I just create that using Google Sheets, and now it's in my Drive. I can upload it, so you can select that. I've already showed you how to select an image. You can include a YouTube video, which is always awesome. You can search. And it will give you a display of videos if you want to include a little tutorial here for your students. Simple, easy, done. Now, again, you can continue to add more layouts. And there it is. All the plus buttons just indicate where you can add content, images, and other information. So really simple, easy to do. Make sure that if you want your colleagues or your peers or your teacher or whoever this is watching to see what you're doing, you definitely want to click Publish. This button right here will let you publish. If this is a group project, you can share this with others and that will allow you to invite people to come in, and they can simply also edit. They can view the published site. If you just want it to stay in your school site, not having anyone see it, then just click on who can view it. If you want them to actually collaborate with you, then you'll want to click edit. So that's just a quick and dirty of how to use Google Sites, and have fun exploring and trying different tips and tricks, and including all of these cool gadgets as well for your Google site.